Hello wine enthusiasts, today we're diving into the incredible electric wine opener gift set, a must-have for any wine lover's collection. This all-in-one set features an automatic rechargeable bottle corkscrew with a power dock, making uncorking your favorite wine as easy as pressing a button. The included foil cutter, aerator pourer, and vacuum wine stopper ensure your wine is perfectly aerated and preserved, enhancing its luxurious taste and keeping it fresh longer. With its high-quality, noise-free design, you can pour wine precisely without any sediment, impressing your friends and family at any gathering. The USB charging capability and universal fit make it portable and convenient for any wine bottle, while the effortless maintenance with a self-cleaning device ensures it's always ready for your next celebration. Softening tannins and enriching your wine, this gift set is the ultimate accessory for wine aficionados. Whether it's for a housewarming, Christmas, or birthday, this gift set is sure to delight and elevate any wine experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.